If your pareu is sliding down when you are dancing, I'm going to teach you how to keep it in place. So first of all, get some underwear that is made of cotton. This is going to work perfectly with your cotton pareu so that it stays in place. Now, once you make those bunny ears, you want to make the first knot here, the first knot, and then you're going to bring one of the ears here and bring it, tuck it with your underwear. So one of your ears here, you're gonna tuck it up with your underwear so that it's secure in place. And now you make the final knot. Now for the rest of your pareu, that ends up being like, hold on, because it ends up being something like this. And just flying there in the back, you want to tuck it with your underwear. You tuck it down and fold it along with your underwear, and that is going to secure, and it's not going to be moving at all as you're dancing. It's not going to be rolling around. It's not going to be rising when you are doing your fast pareu.